Lecture 15. Final project. Build and present your own dashboard. Now it's time to put all that learning into action. In this lecture, you will take everything you have practiced and create your own complete dashboard from scratch. This isn't just an exercise. It's your chance to build something practical, something you can add to your portfolio or even use in real life. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to plan and structure a dashboard based on a specific purpose. Choose the right data source and visual elements. Build a multi-component dashboard that's interactive and readable. Present your dashboard with clear explanation of your design choices. Bringing it all together. You have seen how dashboards work from the very first data connection to sharing a polished report. Now your goal is to combine those skills into a final project. Think of this as your capstone, a demonstration of your ability to use Google Looker Studio in a meaningful way. The best dashboards answer a question or solve a problem. So let's start there. Step 1. Choose a purpose. Your first task is to choose a theme or purpose for your dashboard. Here are a few ideas. Track attendance or grades in a university course. Show survey results from a student club or event. Visualize personal finances or budgeting. Analyze website traffic using mock Google Analytics data. Monitor project progress across tasks or team members. Choose something you find interesting. You will enjoy the process more, and your final product will reflect that. Step 2. Collect and structure your data. Once you have picked your purpose, the next step is collecting data. You can use a real dataset, like your own Google Sheet. Find open datasets online, Google's Public Data Explorer, Kaggle, etc. Create mock data if needed. Just make sure it's realistic. Make sure your data is clean, clear column names, consistent formats, and well-organized rows. Poor data makes dashboard building harder than it needs to be. Step 3. Build the dashboard. Here's your checklist for what to include. At least 3 different types of charts. For example, bar, pie, line, or table. 1 interactive filter, drop-down or date range. A clear layout that's easy to follow. Color and font choices that make it readable. A title and brief summary or heading explaining what the dashboard shows. Try to tell a story with your layout. Start with high-level insights and guide the viewer deeper as they scroll. Imagine a professor, teammate, or future employer looking at your dashboard. What do you want them to see first? Step 4. Present your work. Finally, you will give a short, written, or video presentation, depending on your submission format. This is where you walk us through your dashboard. What problem does your dashboard address? What data source did you use? What choices did you make in your design and why? How would someone use your dashboard in real life? Think of it like explaining your work to a classmate. Keep it clear, structured, and focused.